Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to use the action called jump to bot. This is a very efficient way to simplify your bots or your flows if they start to grow and be too much complex. So the idea behind this jump to bot action is to cut and replace part of your flow by one simple action. So here you can see that we handle English, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian and French languages in each different branch. And the idea is to replace each one of these branch by a jump to bot action. So how we're going to do that is via the copy paste clipboard that will give you the possibility to extract automatically and replace automatically whatever you have copied by the jump to bot action. So you can do it via this small button here, which is a quick action, or you can also do it via this button, but we'll do it with the quick action. So when you click it, it's going to show you the clipboard with whatever you copy. The logic behind the copy paste is that it's whenever you click it, it's going to copy everything below the point that you are copying. But of course, you can remove any actions once in the clipboard here via the delete button that you can see here. But the idea is to extract as it is at the moment. So we're going to use this button, save this selection into a new bot, which is going to invite you to create a new bot. So as it's an English bot, we're going to call it English. That's simple. And be sure to keep this toggle switch to on, because we want at the same time to replace the full branch by a jump to bot action. So press save and it's going to open a new tab with the bot that you just created. Just check that everything is there. Once you are sure, you can come back to the previous tab where you have the jump to bot here. So you can double check if it's selecting the right bot, and it's the case, and also if it's selecting the right step. And it's the case here. You can see that this is the action starting point. Okay, so we're good. We're going to do that for each branch here, and then we're going to test quickly how it works. So let's do it for Spanish. The same is going to happen. It's going to open a new bot, and then we're going to do it for Portuguese, Italian, and so on. So here we go. You can see that now the bot flow is way simpler and more concise. Of course, you can try with the simulator to check if it's going and working as expected. And here the bot invites us to choose and pick the language. If we choose English, and you can see that it's going into the right bot and doing exactly the flow of the sub bot. And if we restart it and that time ask for Spanish, and it's jumping to the right with that time a Spanish message. That's it. I hope it's going to be really helpful for you, and in the next video we're going to see how you could use the full power of this action jump to bot to templatize any sub-bot, to reuse it in your parent bot and simplify even more your flow.